students, welcome to the next lecture of body fluids and circulation, and here in this lecture we are going to discuss about lymph and lymphatic system. In the previous lecture we had discussed about the disorders related to the heart or the circulatory system. Now another type of fluid which is called as lymph. We had discussed about blood very deeply and very efficiently. Now the lymph and lymphatic system. What is lymph? It is another fluid connective tissue of the body. This is also called as tissue fluid. So here the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is basically comprises of lymph, lymphatic vessels and lymphatic nodes. So lymph, second one is lymph vessels or lymphatic vessels, third one is lymph nodes. So these are the three important components of the lymphatic system. We will discuss these three one by one. First one is lymph. What is lymph? Lymph is nothing but it is called as a tissue fluid. ठीक है, lymph blood से ही form होता है. When the blood oozes out from the capillaries, then it forms the lymph, and this lymph is present in the contact between tissues. That's why it is called as tissue fluid. So it is also called as tissue fluid, and it is made up of blood. When the blood oozes out from the capillaries. Suppose this is the artery. This artery bifurcates into the capillaries. So here is the capillaries. This is the first capillary, the second one, third one, and this is the capillaries. I'm sorry. Here is the tissues. Because the formation of lymph is taking place from the capillaries near to the tissues. So here is the tissues. When some part of blood oozes out from these capillaries, then this forms a fluid. That fluid is called as lymph or tissue fluid. This is the lymph, or we can say that it is the tissue fluid. Clear? What is the composition of lymph? ना lymph में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं? Mainly blood plasma. Lymph, the composition of lymph is similar to the blood, but some things like plasma proteins are absent in the lymph, RBCs are absent in the lymph, platelets are absent in the lymph. Now what is present in the lymph? In lymph, plasma is present without proteins, and WBCs are there, and the main important WBCs are lymphocytes. So what is the composition of lymph? Lymph is having plasma without proteins, plasma without proteins, RBCs and platelets. Okay, so this is the plasma. And second thing, what is present here? Lymphocytes. So the lymphocytes type of WBCs are present in the lymph. This is the composition of lymph. Clear? RBCs यहाँ पर नहीं है, platelets भी नहीं होती हैं, और WBCs होती हैं major type. The lymphocytes type of WBCs are there and plasma is there. ठीक है? ये सारा portion जब blood यहाँ से flow करता है, तो ये blood जब इसमें से flow करेगा artery में से या किसी बड़ी vessels में से, then this vessel is getting bifurcated into the smaller capillaries, and from these capillaries the plasma part oozes out near to the tissues, and this is called as tissue fluid or the lymph. Clear? So this is the lymph. Now the second one is lymphatic vessels. So secondly we are going to discuss about the lymphatic vessels. Basically these lymphatic vessels are divided into two categories, that is capillaries and lymphatic ducts. So these lymphatic vessels are divided into two categories. The first one is lymph capillaries or lymphatic capillaries. So here is lymphatic capillaries and this is the lymphatic duct. So these are the two important parts of lymph vessels. I'm sorry. Lymphatic capillaries are lined by endothelial cells. Okay, single layer of cells is there and these lymphatic capillaries are lined by endothelial cells. We are discussing about the lacteal, which is the important type of lymph capillary. लैक्टील जिसे हमने डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में जिसके बारे में हमने डिटेल डिस्कस किया था, ठीक है, जो विलायज है इंटेस्टाइन की विलायज, दिस इज द इंटेस्टाइनल विलाय एंड दिस इंटेस्टाइनल विलाय इज हैविंग a blood capillary which is called as lacteal. This is the lacteal. Why it is called as lacteal? Here is the microvilli are there. What is the function of this lacteal? This lacteal is going to help in the transportation of fats in the form of chylomicrons. Clear? तो यहाँ पर लैक्टील का फंक्शन क्या था, इसको डिटेल हम ऑलरेडी डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में पढ़ चुके हैं. यहाँ पे जो फैट्स है, जो डाइजेस्टेड फैट्स हैं, डाइजेस्टेड फैट्स आर एब्सॉर्ब्ड here in the form of chylomicrons, and due to the presence of these chylomicrons it is going to appear milkish in color. That's why it is called as lacteal. ठीक है, chylomicrons का कलर हमें कैसा दिखता है, मिल्की वाइट इन कलर. That's why this is called as lacteal, and this is going to help in the transportation of fats, the absorbed fats. Next one is the lymphatic ducts. क्लियर? तो लिम्फेटिक कैपिलरीज जो हैं, ये लिम्फेटिक कैपिलरीज मेनली क्या करेंगी, इनमें से लैक्टील इज द इंपॉर्टेंट लिम्फेटिक कैपिलरी विच इज गोइंग टू हेल्प इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ एब्सॉर्ब्ड फैट. नेक्स्ट वन इज द लिम्फेटिक डक्ट. मेनली टू लिम्फेटिक डक्ट्स आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन इज राइट लिम्फेटिक डक्ट एंड सेकंड वन इज द thoracic lymphatic duct. Clear? So I am erasing the diagram here. Two types of lymphatic ducts are there. First type is right lymphatic duct. So here is right lymphatic duct. Okay, as the name indicates, this right lymphatic duct collects the lymph from complete right part of the body. ठीक है, बॉडी के राइट पार्ट से. यहाँ पे हमने जो डायग्राम देखा था, here is the capillaries, this is the artery and these are the capillaries here, and here is the tissues and this is the lymph. Okay, from right part of the body, here this is the right part of the body and this lymphatic duct is going to collect the lymph from right part of the body. तो बॉडी के राइट पार्ट से, कंप्लीट राइट पार्ट, राइट आर्म, राइट पार्ट ऑफ द लेग और द होल राइट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी, कंप्लीट राइट पार्ट से सारी लिम्फ को कलेक्ट करेगी ये लिम्फेटिक डक्ट एंड इट इज गोइंग टू ओपन इनटू द राइट सबक्लेवियन आर्टरी एंड जगलर्स, राइट इंटरनल जगलर्स वेन. ठीक है, सो वेयर इट इज गोइंग टू ओपन, it collects all the lymph from the right part of the body and opens into the right subclavian and right internal jugular's vein. Jugular's vein. Clear? So what is the function of this right lymphatic duct? The right lymphatic duct collects all the lymph from the right part of the body and opens into the right subclavian and right internal jugular's vein. ठीक है, सारा lymph ये लेकर वहां पर जाती है. Second type of lymphatic duct is called as thoracic lymphatic duct. Second one is thoracic lymphatic duct. This thoracic lymphatic duct collects the lymph from left part of the body. ठीक है, ये जो thoracic lymphatic duct है, ये thoracic lymphatic duct left part of the body से lymph collect करता है और left part of the subclavian and internal jugular vein, लेफ्ट इंटरनल जगुलर वेन है, इसमें ये ओपन होता है ना. दोनों की ओपनिंग एक ही जगह है, बट राइट subclavian right lymphatic duct opens into the right part and the thoracic duct open into the left part of the body. Clear? So these are the lymphatic ducts. Now the lymphatic vessels are similar to the veins. What is the similarities between these lymphatic vessels and veins? The important similarity is that the lymphatic vessels are also having valves similar to the veins. Now veins में valve present होते हैं, हमें पता है. This is the lymphatic vessel and these lymphatic vessels are also having valves. These are the valves. But the number of valves in these lymphatic vessels is more in compared to the veins. वेन्स से ज्यादा वॉल्व्स यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं एंड ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ दीज मोर वॉल्व्स द लिम्फ वेसल इज लुकिंग बीडेड ना. इस तरह से जहां पे भी वॉल्व प्रेजेंट है वहां से हमें इस तरह से इसका स्ट्रक्चर बीडेड दिखता है. दिस इज द बीडेड अपीयरेंस एंड दिस बीडेड अपीयरेंस इज कॉल्ड एज लिम्फ नोड्स. ठीक है, तो ये यहाँ से हमें कुछ बीडेड दिखती है. द नंबर ऑफ वॉल्व्स इन लिम्फ वेसल इज मोर इन कंपैरिजन टू द वेन्स. वेन्स से ज्यादा वॉल्व यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होते हैं. ठीक है, वेन्स में भी वॉल्व होते हैं. दिस इज द सिमिलैरिटी बिटवीन वेन्स एंड द लिम्फेटिक वेसल्स, बट द नंबर ऑफ वॉल्व इज मोर इन लिम्फेटिक वेसल्स इन कंपेयर टू द वेन्स. क्लियर? सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द lymphatic vessels. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the lymphatic nodes. One more important part of the lymphatic system, that is lymphatic node, and about lymphatic node we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Thank you very much.